Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Nivaal.
And my name is Maryam.
We're twins, activists, journalists, and the founders of The World with M&R.
We're based in Toronto, Canada, but right now we are here in Pakistan filming a documentary about girls' education.
We believe that it's so important for media platforms to show the true side of every story, including different countries. So Pakistan currently is shown in the media, and sometimes it's not really shown in the way that it should be. Like, the true side of it is not really shown. So we believe that it's important for social media to show the true side.
That's why you can get involved, and we really appreciate the efforts of volunteer groups like Volunteer Force Pakistan that works to use social media in a positive way to be able to show Pakistan in its true light and sharing all the good about the country. And if there are issues, they try to address those as well.
Yeah, for sure. And we believe that it's so important to get involved with any initiative that they're, running. So one of them is the social media Conclave, which is an event that they'll host on March 28th. And we believe that you should all attend if you can. It's going to be held in Faisalabad, and it's a great opportunity to meet with not only members of the Volunteer Force Pakistan, but also other social media activists from around the country.
It's something where, regardless of political background, regardless of what your beliefs are, everyone is coming together under one roof for Pakistan, and that's a concept that we really, really appreciate, and we think it's an awesome idea. So we'll be speaking there, and you can meet us over there as well, and we look forward to the event, and we hope you attend as well.